Today I'm sharing a very simple vegetable side dish, stir-fry watercress with seafood tofu. It is so simple with just 5 ingredients. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 450 grams of watercress, wash and clean, 130 grams of seafood tofu, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of onion oil, and 2 tablespoons of crispy fried shallots. All ingredients are ready. Let's cook. Switch on the heat to high. Add in all of the onion oil. Wait for the oil to heat up. Add in all of the seafood tofu. Stir fry for about 2 minutes or until the seafood tofu is cooked. Alright, seafood tofu is cooked. Remove it all from the pan and keep it aside. Next, add in the watercress. Give it a stir for about 1.5 minutes or until the watercress is cooked. This might seem like it is a lot. However, after cooking, the volume will be reduced to just a quarter of this amount. Continue to toss it to ensure the watercress is coated with oil and get enough heat from the pan. Alright, after 1.5 minutes, see, the watercress amount has reduced. Next, spread it around the pan. Add in all oyster sauce. And half of the crispy fried shallots. Mix for about 30 seconds or until the watercress and seasoning are well combined. Alright, now I can give it a taste. Delicious! Switch off the heat. See, watercress tend to release a lot of water when it is cooked. So I will remove the gravy first as I want the vegetable to be dry before adding in the seafood tofu. To prevent the seafood tofu from soaking up too much gravy, this is optional. Next, add in the fried seafood tofu and give it a stir. Alright, it is ready. So simple. Let's dish out and serve. Top up with crispy fried shallots. So beautiful. Let's eat. Wow, so tasty and sweet. The watercress is very crunchy. The seafood tofu is soft. It is very delicious, tasty and flavorful. Love it. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.